Connecting Calendly to Google Calendar is a straightforward process that ensures your availability is accurately reflected, preventing double bookings and streamlining scheduling. Here's how to do it. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. If you don't have an account yet, create one at the Calendly website. Access Calendar Connections. On your Calendly dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Navigate to the Calendar Connections tab. In the Account Settings, locate the Calendar Connections tab. This section allows you to manage the calendars you want to connect. Connect Google Calendar. Click the Connect button next to Google Calendar. You will be prompted to sign into your Google account. Choose the account you want to connect and grant Calendly permission to access your calendar. Select Calendar Preferences. After connecting, you can choose which Google Calendar to sync with Calendly. You can also set preferences for how Calendly will display your availability based on events in your Google Calendar. Save changes. Once everything is set, save your changes. Your Google Calendar will now sync with Calendly, updating your availability in real time.